These sentences say, I see animals on bikes. They are riding fast. I'm going to use my checklist to check first for capital letters at the beginning of the sentences. I look at the beginning and that letter I is not capital, but it should be. Anytime an I is by itself, it's always capital, but especially at the beginning of a sentence. I see. This S should not be capital, it should be lowercase. I see animals on bikes. They, that's a new sentence starting with a capital T. They are riding fast. That F should not be capital, it's in the middle of the sentence. Now I'm going to check off capital letters. Now I'm checking for punctuation only at the end of the sentence. When I end a thought, I want you to say with me like we do in class, period. Here we go. I see animals on bikes. Period. I'm going to add one. They are riding fast. Period. I'm going to add another period here. I'll check off my punctuation. Now I'm checking for spacing, so get your finger ready to check our spacing in between every word. I see animals on bikes. They are riding fast. There are spaces between all of my words, so I'm going to check that off. The last thing I need to do is read the sentences again to make sure they make sense. I see animals on bikes. They are riding fast. It does make sense. On the next slide, you are going to be using the checklist to check for capitals, punctuation, spacing, and reread it to make sure it makes sense.